All right, continuing the log. I gotta clean out all the mashed potato from the meal I just had, and this is gonna be a little bit, but we're gonna see how quick it is to clean. Tamper, and this really isn't included, but I just had them soaking in here anyways. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it. Start off with hot water. Hot water with a little bit of dish soap, and just do a blend on it. Well, no, this is gonna be, it's gonna take a minute. See where that leaves us. Just the stuff up here and the stuff obviously that's not inside the container. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so far just with that, it cleaned most of the bottom, and the blades are pretty much almost 100% clean, almost. I have to do a little bit with a bottle brush, but nothing major. The threads are actually pretty clean. So this is just gonna take a little bit of tidying up, which I'm not gonna bother showing, but for the most part, it cleaned itself for the most part. All right, this is the end of this log.